Welcome to Museful Creations, where imagination comes to life. Welcome to day 3 of the hashtag Trio of Treasures 2025 challenge. Today's prompt brings together two heartfelt makes, FaithPocket and SoulID card. This duo is all about reflection, a space to pause, breathe, and jot down the moments you're truly grateful for. I also want to take a second to give thanks to my fellow collaborators, Kiki and Sonya, and also to all the participants for pouring so much love and intention into this journey. And don't forget, you have until Saturday, June 28th to submit your entries. Let's get to it. Next, I cut a couple of Faith pockets to layer, and then on the actual pocket, I stitched around it and did a little bit of distressing. And then on the journaling card, I wrote some memorable moments of this challenge. Next is the SoulID prompt of the day. And I use scraps from the Trio of Blossoms kit, and I'm trying to figure out how do I want to create a flip kind of motion with what I have. So you'll see more in just a second. And here I made two mistakes, and finally on the third one I got it right. And here's a quick tip: when you use big stamps, don't tap on top, instead slide your pad, and it gives, in my opinion, the effect that you're trying to achieve. And I did use clear embossing powder to seal in the ink, and I'm really happy with the effect. Now, here I'm showing you the actual hinge that I put together with the extra paper and the tab from the new kit, FaithPockets. And I am super happy with how it all came together. And here I'm showing you that it has a little flip inside for tucking in your journal spot to write your thoughts with some additional embellishments. These final two makes brought the challenge full circle. It wasn't just about scraps, it was about showing up with heart, faith, and gratitude. Through every flip and stitch, I felt deeply connected, not only to the joy of creating, but to the incredible community we've built. This wasn't about being perfect. It was about being present. If this speaks to you, the SoulID FaithPockets digital is available below, and we would love to see your creations before the challenge ends on June 28th. So thank you so much, everyone, for your likes, your comments, and your support. And again, another shout out to Kiki and Sonya for accepting this challenge, and to the participants as well. This is all for now. Until next time, take care.